Here at Normandy, we're hosting the Great Lakes Theater School Residency program. The Great Lakes School Residency program is a program that comes to all different grades, and they supplement the Shakespeare curriculum within the English class. And what they do is they get the kids up moving, having professional actors in the classroom allow the students to see Shakespeare come alive. And not only are they professional actors, but they're young, they're closer to their age, and if the students can see them energized about Shakespeare, then they themselves become energized.
We'll have hands-on activities, and also we'll have them perform with us, and then we fill in the blanks all the way through. And it's not just the text, we're also asking them questions that we would ask ourselves as actors that really help them understand and relate to the characters as to why they are doing the things.
I really hope that they take the story and say, at least if they don't like Shakespeare, they understand the story. And they understand, I love seeing the light bulb of, oh, that's what happened? Oh, this is this story? Oh my goodness, I love the organic reaction of what?
The activities are so much more kinesthetic. They're getting up on their feet, they're involved with small parts, sometimes with spoken lines. I think the students feel more fulfilled with the curriculum because they've had the opportunity to become more involved.